Hi, welcome. So today in this video, we'll be discussing another question of statistics, and it's a very simple introductory level question. We are starting with statistics videos, and the question says that there is a there is an unstructured data which is given, and I'm sure you guys understand what is an unstructured data. The data which is not put into any kind of frequency tables. That's called as unstructured data, right? Now, we need to find out in this video what is the mean, median, and mode of this particular data set. Now, as some of you might have seen my previous video, and there we have already explained that the mean is basically the sum of the data values, right? That's the sum of the data values divided by the number of data values. Now, if we see in this question the sum of the data values, if we add up all these numbers which are given here, then it comes to 144, and the total number of data data values is 16, right? So we'll just check this out also. 4 plus 5, 9, 17, 17, 26, 27, 37, and 49. Then we have 62, 62, 76, 76 and 92, 104, 116, 125, 134, and 10. So that's like 144. The total number of data values is 16. So we can simply write as 16, and the answer if this is 9. So now what we can say is that 9 is the mean. This is the mean of the data set which is given here. Now, this is simple because, or similar to what we had done in the previous video. Now, when we are talking about the median of the data set, so as we had already understood that in the previous video, that the median is the middle value. Now, earlier in the previous video, we had the total number of the data values as odd number, right? So it was very easy to find out the exact middle value of the data set. Now it's a if we count this thing out, then we can see that it is 16, which is an even number data value. So data set, the total number of data values is even number. Now it is difficult to find out the exact middle value, and we are going to just solve it now. And before we start solving, as usual, as I've always told you in the previous video also, that before we start finding out the median of any of the unstructured data, we always need to put the entire data values in a particular order, and we will put it into the ascending order. So let's like first is 2, then we have 4, right? 2, and then we have 4, 5. We don't have 6 and 7 here. We have 8 once, and then we have twice. So two eights are there. After that, let's see how many nines are there. 1, 2, 3. So we have got 3 nines here. Then we have 110. Okay. Oh, we also have 1 here that we have missed out. So let's write it here. Good, I saw that. Okay. And after 10, we don't have 11, we have 12, 13, 14, and 12 is once, twice, thrice. So we'll write thrice 12. Okay. Then we have 13. 13 is once, 14 is also once, and 16 is also one. So we will write 13, 14, and 16. Okay, so here we have put all the data values in a particular order, that's ascending order, and now we need to find out the median. So median in this case will be very simple. We'll divide the whole thing into two equal groups, all the values, and let's first do that. So 1, and then we keep, this is the, you know, way that we can do that. Below every number, every data value, I'm just going to put a sign, and finally we'll be left with two values, right? So this is what we have left, this one and this one, right? Now I'll just give a mark like this so that we don't miss it out. Now here we see these are the equal number of data values, and this also is the equal number of data values. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So this is the exact middle. Now the median here will be the sum of these two divided by 2, right? So we can then write 9 plus 9 divided by 2, and that's 18 over 2, and that's the answer is 9. So we can say that 9 is the median of the data set. Now this technique is used when we are not able to find out the exact middle value, and that will be, that will be happening only in the cases wherein the number of data values is an even numbered figure, right? So in that case, we will use this technique that we will find out the middle one, two values, add them, and divide them by 2, right? So that's how we get the median. Now, if we are talking about mode as usual, we have already learned that, the data value, the data value with maximum frequency is the mode of the data set, which is given in the question. Now let's quickly check out which data value is repeating most. So here we see 12 is repeating thrice, so that's 1. And then we also see that 9 is repeating here, that is also thrice. So it is very much possible that a data set has more than one mode. And here we can write that the mode of the given data set are 9, 12, because they both are repeating most in the data set, right? So this is how we have found out all these three, mean, median, and mode in the case of unstructured data, and where the total number of data values is even numbered, right? Thank you so much. Keep watching these videos. I am coming up with more and more videos of statistics and rest of the chapters for mathematics grade 10. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.